Hi everyone, so today I'm going to show you how you can connect your Anker Soundcore K20i earbuds to your Android device. So this is what the device looks like. This is how you open it. Here are your earbuds. This is the charging port right here. So first things first, you want to make sure that they are charged, all right? If they are, so you want to put them in pairing mode, and how you do that is that there's no button or anything. You would just basically open this and just take them out. All right, once you take them out, they are now in pairing mode as long as they are charged. Now let's go to our device, Bluetooth settings. Let's try to search for this device now. You see this Soundcore K20i. We're going to go ahead and select this. It's going to give this prompt. Okay, you're going to go ahead and select pair, and there we go. They are officially connected. Now, if I play music, if I watch video, anything else, and everything will be played in these. All right. So just make sure that they are charged, because it's possible that if you just open these and they're just right out of the box, then it's likely that they may not be fully charged. And let's say you uh, open them up, you won't really see any light over here. And once you open them and you take them out, since there is not really any clear indication of them being in pairing mode other than to be able to discover them on the device, so you would think maybe there's something wrong with the device, when actually they might just not be charged. So make sure when you buy these and you take them out of the box, just make sure that they're fully charged. If they're not, uh, then put them on charge first. It's always good practice to put things on charge anyways the minute you take them out of the box. So that's all. Thank you for watching.